Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically blur out the background on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video, and on the second one, go to cutout and select auto cutout. Then you are going to go to effects and you're going to type in the word blur, or you can just go to lens and they have that there. You can add in either motion blur if you want to. Make sure you adjust the strength though so it doesn't look super fake. Or if you want to just blur it out, you're just going to add in the normal blur effect on top of that one and adjust it so it's not too fake. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. If you want, you can go to the second video and make it like a little bit sharper, just a little bit though. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!